and see you there. Hello, and welcome back to Edito 2.0. Today, I'm going to try something I've been curious about for a while, and that is 3D printing musical instruments. Now, of course, this has been done before, but I really need to find out firsthand if these instruments can in fact be called instruments, or if they really suck and remind me of the recorder classes that I took when I was 4 years old. I figured that the best place to begin is by making an ocarina. You know, the thing that was made famous by Legend of Zelda. If ever there was something that could benefit from being mass-produced at home, this would be it. Knowing nothing about ocarinas and looking at all the options on Thingiverse, I went with this, the 12-hole ocarina, because more holes is always better. Dropping it into Cura or whatever slicer you use, it is very clear that it's going to need some supports. So to start, I arranged it fat end down to keep it more stable, kind of like your mama. I leave everything else stock, but obviously need to make sure supports are turned on for everywhere. One final trick is to come over to the right panel and choose Support Blocker, and put one right in the middle of the ocarina. Basically, this prevents Cura from putting a support right in the middle of the ocarina, which we'll never be able to get out. I didn't want to just make some boring old one-color ocarina, so I decided to set a Stop Layer Height command, which would allow me to change the color of filament manually as we go. And slice! This looks pretty awesome. I'm not entirely sure about my color choices. I was going for like a candle flame, and I think I ended up more with a colorblind candy corn. But that is not important. What is important is this. That actually doesn't sound terrible. It's kind of like an asthmatic owl, but I think that's probably more my fault than the design. I'm gonna practice a bit and see if I can play some Zelda. I know ocarina. I know kung fu. Honestly, that wasn't great, but I really believe with a little bit more practice, I could actually get good at this. Who knows, maybe I'll even get a gig with MTV or something. What's that? If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. It really helps out the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.